Hey guys, wagwan, welcome back to the channel. So today we're gonna go ahead and replace the glass for the cluster. It have a crack right here. I don't know if you can see the crack on the camera. Why it crack? I don't know. Who crack it? I don't know, but I just know it cracked. So if you have one of these newer Nissan, so this is how you're gonna replace your cluster. So first you want to hold back here like this and pull it forward. Once you pull that forward, you want to come down here. Make sure you have the steering unlock, steering all the way down, and you want to pull this side out like this. You don't have to take it all the way out. I'm trying my best to do it where I don't take everything apart, so that's why. But you can always take everything apart if you want. So once you get that out, pull this out too. It's kind of hard using one hand. So once you pull this out some, you can pull and lift this up just like that. And you want to do the same thing on the other side. Pull and lift that up, and then you're going to remove this part of the cluster. Now you see you're gonna need some Phillips screws. You're gonna have 4 Phillips screws that hold the cluster on each side. Get a Phillips screwdriver, get a long one. So on top of that, now you want to take this one out right here. So basically you just need to remove these 4 bolts right here, screws I should say. So now that I remove all 4 screws, I'm just gonna go ahead and pull the bottom out first, and then bring the top out along with it. Swing it to the left, and then you're gonna have one big plug back here that you need to squeeze right here. So I don't know if I mentioned, this is a 2019 Altima. So that's out just like that. So guys, what you want to do now is find these top tabs right here. You have one right here, so you want to find it, unhook it a little bit. This one right here, unhook that also. So I'm gonna try to use both of my hands for this. So unhook these 2. You want to kind of hold it so they don't lock, so they'll go back to the locking position. And you just keep on unhook more. So the more you unhook, the more it's come apart. So I don't know, so right here you can see the crack on the screen now, and like I said, why it's cracked I don't know. All I know is cracked. This is your cluster, so that's what your cluster look like. You have a big screen right here. Right here is analog stick. Let's go ahead and get the new parts. So part number is right here, so you can pause the video and get that. The next thing you want to do is just take it out the box, and after you take it out the box, guys, please go ahead and like, comment, share, subscribe to the channel and grow the channel for me. So you want to get your cover. You can just peel this off if you want. For now, you can peel it like that for now. So once you line up everything, it's gonna snap in. Make sure all clips locked that you open. Then you can peel this off. And now we're gonna go ahead and install the part. So first thing first, we're gonna have to connect back that connector right there. So you wanna get this over, get the connector. You wanna push it until it's clipped. Alright, until it locks in, and that's good. Just like that. Now we need to add our 4 screws. So make sure your screwdriver have magnetic tip. That will help out real good. But don't worry guys, I will leave a link in the description for all the tools I use, which is my fingers. I'm kidding. But I'll leave a link in the description for this Phillips screwdriver and a flathead screwdriver, so you guys can if your finger can't pry off the panel, you can use the flathead screwdriver. So guys, now it's time to put back this piece. So you want to pull back those panel, and the same way you take it out, it's gonna be the same way you put it back in. So these have some long clips that you gotta put in the hole first before you push it all the way down. So you gotta pull that back, put this long clip down in that hole right there. So that's what I'm gonna do. Pull this back, get this long clip. make sure everything's set properly. Then you want to lock this clip back into place right here. And then you want to lock this over here. So this side locked in already, this side not yet. Just gotta line up all the clips. Make sure you get it in the hole. Once you get it in the hole, everything locked into place, guys. Yeah, your screen right here, no more crack. Can go ahead and crank the car up. They probably say, hey, disconnect the battery, but no need to do that, as you see. Cluster work, everything worked. And that's it for this one, guys. Peace out, see you next time.